Finance Minister Nirmala's scheduled meeting with Prime Minister Modi has been postponed for today. It's quite likely to happen only after Prime Minister's meeting with all state chief ministers on Monday. Remember, Nirmala Sitharaman and Prime Minister Modi had to meet to discuss a financial package for further relief to the strained economy. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman was due to meet Prime Minister to discuss on the stimulus package, but we hear that the meeting has been postponed for today. It's likely to happen only after Prime Minister's meeting with all of the state CMs on Monday. Let's quickly go over to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, the meeting was supposed to take place. It was an all-important meeting to discuss another financial package, a stimulus package to boost the shrinking economy. We know now that it has been
all meeting, and we do understand that the finance minister as well as the ministry officials already have a blueprint ready of how the economy can be kick-started. But what we understand now is that this meeting will likely take place after the Prime Minister has spoken with the chief ministers across the country. We do understand that that meeting will take place on the 27th, which is the next Monday. Now that meeting is also extremely important because the chief ministers will then put forth their demands in front of the Prime Minister, whether we will see an extension of the lockdown or not, whether we will see some states specifically taking some kind of action with regards to COVID-19. All those things will be discussed. So keeping that meeting in mind, this meeting has been rescheduled. We understand that once the chief ministers have spoken with the Prime Minister, only then a further package discussion will take place on the stimulus package 2.0.
Thank you, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details. Now, Maharashtra yesterday has reported 778 new COVID-19 cases, the highest in a day, taking the state's tally of coronavirus positive cases to over 6,400. The increase was the single biggest jump for the state since the beginning of the pandemic. 522 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours in Mumbai. Death toll due to COVID-19 has now gone up to 269, I beg your pardon, in the state, with at least 14 new deaths being reported in just the last 24 hours. Mumbai continues to be a major hotspot of COVID-19 in the country with over 4,200 cases. Various measures have also been taken by authorities to contain the spread of the virus in densely populated slums. More on this, Maharashtra Housing Minister Jitendra Awad has tested positive of COVID-19. Jitendra Awad had been admitted to a Thane hospital on Tuesday after a week-long self-quarantine. Earlier, 16 people associated with Jitendra, including 5 police bodyguards, a cook, house help and party workers, were tested positive. Awad had been in contact with a senior cop of Mumbai police station who had tested positive for COVID-19.
आज भी जब भी देश का माहौल खराब करना होता है तो पाकिस्तान का नाम लेते हैं।
Now, after Maharashtra, Gujarat is the worst affected state in the country with 2,559 cases and 105 deaths. Ahmedabad remains the widest hotbed with 1,595 cases and 63 deaths. The state reported 217 new cases and 9 fresh deaths in just the last 24 hours. 3 army personnel tested positive for COVID-19 in Gujarat's Vadodara. As per initial findings, an ATM booth seems to be the common source, as they had all withdrawn money from it on the same day. Their 28 close contacts have been quarantined by the force as per protocols. Meanwhile, curfew has been lifted in several districts of Gujarat, including Ahmedabad, Surat and Rajkot. Lockdown norms in these areas will, however, prevail as normal until the 3rd of May. Up next, the Muslim community across of India gears up for Ramzan amid this lockdown. Details on that up ahead.